Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Good luck. Kelly, you throw this one. Yeah, you take it over on the top. Yeah. Yes, you want and duration will be around 2 minutes from this platform to another platform. Speed will be 120 to 160 km per hour. Totally depends on the wind condition and your body weight. So as I told you, it's fast. There is a way to stop you as a manual braking system attached to the cable and manipulated by the guy who's working at the site. It will be hard impact between your pulley and the braking pulley, and you will feel pressure on your shoulder because of that impact, and might you get a swing a little bit. Nothing wrong, it's just a normal braking system is working. Another condition, if the wind makes you slower and you stop your journey a bit far from the platform, stay calm, enjoy the view. The guy from the other side will come to you and he will assist you. Clear? And position will be so simple. Lay on your belly head first, arms behind you all the way to end point. That's all the simple rule you have to follow. Keep your arms behind you all the way to end point. Clear? And here we ask you to step on the scale. We take your body weight and then we decide which cable you will fly.
Okay.
And then you need to go up to the desk. We clip your pulleys and we ask you to go for push-up position, just a position. Then we carry up your legs and put your harness in right manner. Then good to go. The other platform is totally suspended in the air. You cannot hang around there until clip you with the safety line. And there they will move that orange and black harnesses, and then you will do another small zip line in a sitting position. You just exit from that platform. Yeah? Any question?
What was the manual braking thing you said? We have a braking as well.
You don't need to do anything. One thing, to keep your arms behind you all the way to end. That's good. And enjoy the view.
Good, that's it.
And while flying down, wind will blow you left, right. Is normal. Nothing wrong. So don't be panic and get scared. Relax in your harness and enjoy the view.
So do nothing.
Do nothing. Just relax.
That's easy, no?
So, wanna go first?
You guys wanted to go first?
Yes.
Yeah, because I heard. No problem. So what's it?
So while going down, yeah, from 1 to 11. Right? Your sister. Don't see much because we have 65 on blue, 85 on yellow, 40 on yellow.
Special AN1, special AN1 is coming up.
Okay, Carol. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, let's go.
Good luck.
Face inside. This side, turn on this side, the right side, and go for push-up position. Okay. Okay, let's go. Go down, go down. Hold this side. Drop your leg. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1.
You're alright.
Stand up.
Take care.
Bye bye.